What's up, machine freaks? Welcome to another 3D machine production. Today we're gonna blow up my bike. We left off with Jake wrecking on that patch of ice back there. Be sure to check that out if you haven't yet. My rear tire just doesn't want to grab. My tire's going 40 miles an hour and I'm only going 20. At this point I'm not very happy. Hills, snow, and slow speeds don't mix very well. So I just start raging. I guess today's not my day. Jake does some Peter Griffin shit. Yeah, Peter Griffin. And we get to the end of the trail and he wants to turn back around. I see my opening, but it looks like I'm going to have to go through quite a bit of brush. Another one of Jake's wonderful adventures. Let's do a frickin' pond cross.
I'm not even joking. We hydroplaned before with the quad. Well, we'd hit it going like 20, not like 3.
Jake did it without the bike even coming out from under him. No more reindeer games, let's get back to the riding. Just what my rear bald tire wants to see, more hills. Bump start. Jake starts throwing mud everywhere, and that's because he's stuck. Jake calls up Nick to break the ice in front of him so Jake can get through.
This is gonna be fun. Real fun.
I'm saying that because after Jake gets unstuck, we're gonna have to climb that hill there. I gotta give it to him though, that worked. But my bike's really hot.
They can get a little hot.
Thanks a lot, bald rear tire. Then she just starts smoking.
Too hot. She's really hot, dude. Look at that. Got fucking green slime everywhere. Oh, wow. Yeah. What's that from? It's bleeding. She's green. She'll bleed green. Where's it bleeding from? I don't know. It's probably fucking super hot. So? Yeah. You gotta see the video. All of a sudden, woo, just smoke. Woohoo! Yeah, I got here. I'm like, well, I can't really stop. So I'm like, go for this. And oh my god, that didn't work. With the snow. Yeah, just a bit. So what do you think? Back her up and start it up and help me balance it going up this part right here, or do you want to go up here? Guess we can do this. You want to just push it? Sure. Oh. I got it.
As you guys saw, the bike was incredibly hot, so we wanted to let it cool down, and we couldn't just leave it on the hillside for the next 20 minutes, so we pulled it up.
Ready? Yeah. Wait. 1, 2, 3, go. Ready, go. These boots don't grab for anything. I don't think any of them do. Ready, set, go.
And Jake's down! I want to thank all you machine freaks for watching the video. I really appreciate it. I also want to thank you for smashing the hell out of that like button on all of my videos. YouTube's actually messaged me being concerned about my like button. I'm going to start putting up a video every Friday, so be sure to subscribe to check out the future adventures. So until next time, 3D Machines out.